1. Make a baking soda paste. Combine about 2 tablespoons of baking soda with about 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of water. The mixture should not be too thin. If it sloshes about in the bowl you mixed it in, add some more baking soda to help it achieve a more paste-like texture. It also shouldn't be too thick. If the mixture is thick and dry, and doesn't adhere well to the fork or spoon you use to mix it, add some water to thin it out. 2. Apply the paste to the grout. The easiest way to apply the paste to the grout is with your finger. Simply scoop a little dollop of the paste onto your fingertip and smear it in an even layer across the grout you wish to clean. 3. Mix water and vinegar. In a spray bottle, combine water and vinegar in a 1-to-1 ratio. For instance, you might combine 1.5 cups, 354 milliliters, vinegar with 1.5 cups, 354 milliliters, water. 4. Spray the mixture onto the paste. Point the nozzle of the spray bottle toward the baking soda paste you've smeared along the grout. Squeeze the handle of the bottle. Repeat as necessary until all of the paste has bubbled up somewhat. 5. Scrub the grout. Once the paste has become fizzy with the application of the vinegar mixture, use a stiff-bristled toothbrush to scrub the grout clean. Use a toothbrush you aren't planning on using again for anything but detail cleaning. 6. Wipe the grout. Once you've loosened the grime and grit along your grout, it should wipe away with ease. Take a damp rag or paper towel and wipe it along the grout you've cleaned. Wipe the area along the edges of the grout, too, to soak up any of the lingering water/vinegar.